7M. See how the entrance goes. Beautiful. Nice timing as well. Great cog, guys, from Fred and Felipe. So we're looking at balanced turns. Halfway through the move, we should, if I pause it, we should see balanced, looking good. And also with Manuel and Marconi, we're looking for that offset setup at the start and end of the block. And also we're looking to turn at a speed where we can guarantee our in place. Ooh, missing some comms at the end there. And then, oh yeah, something that was Marconi's shape as well at the end of the block, that over rotation. Let's just watch that, because it should be a feed there. Yeah, feed in that grip to Fred, please. I think we just picked up the speed a little over what we were comfortable with, which is fine. It's good to know what we need in order to be consistent, because that's how we want to take it into the competition. We know if we go above that in the competition, that's where we're going to tend to drop the ball. Right, have a little look at the close of the 7. I think, Fred, because you're not picking up that grip, you're starting to get a little worried about it, and you start to head switch a little early. Because you and Marconi are missing that grip there. I would forget it. Focus on the cog at the start of the move, like you do. Cog here, good. Now forget about Marconi. Just make your spin. Marconi, at the end of the turn, just slow down a fraction at the end, man. Just a little slower here. And keep your arms kind of more neutral. And try and kind of feed that arm a little bit into Fred's hand, like Manuel is doing to Felipe. Let's watch the next one. Yeah, I think it's a two-way thing though. I think in the beginning, when the speed was consistent, let's just have a quick look at the beginning. So in the beginning, yeah, I think when the speed is acceptable, it's easy to achieve. I think, Fred, once you start to rush it, you start to early head switch, you end up with a little bit of a shift in your turn. And Marconi, please just keep a bit more, yes, like that. I think that's it, when the speed is good. Like where that elbow connects with Fred, please. Because we're only as fast as the grip gets closed. It doesn't matter how quick an individual turns if we're not closing. We want to be, as everyone finishes the rotation, we want to be finishing on grips, like we've been doing so well on the 14s.